sketchy this thing is. Let me go further as I couple more in. Like that. Look how close that is. That is death-defying. Like, very death-defying. He's gonna take the camera so it'll fall off.
Look at that. Wanna come over here and take the camera? My buddy here is gonna take the camera because I kind of positioned myself. Hard to drive, but these fuckers are running in. Get over here! I only had one hand. Get over here. He gotta judge the little stuff.
Woo! Stop the brake. So, this is what happens when you mess with your flex range. Right there, if you can see, right there was my original hole where it's factory meant to be. Right there is, let's just say, where I stuck my axle. And it's actually pretty easy. You unbolt these 4 bolts. Well, I'm missing that one, but on both sides, and this whole thing will drop, and you unbolt that bolt. And you drill another hole. It's so simple. It only took me like half an hour. But from doing that, it did a hole like 2 inches down, and look how much flex you get out of it. Like, maxed out. They're both maxed out, but look at that. Like, normal tractors don't have that. Like, there's one right here. Look. It's like a tiny house. Like, I flexed it all the way. Which I'll do the other direction. Like, you only get like that much space. I'm trying, yeah, actually that is flexed all the way, look. That one's pretty much touching, that one's not. But look, that's how you do that. Flex on that thing. Kind of shows you how much it's kind of twisting the frame a little, because the hood don't really line up. It's meant to go over there. But it is what it is. And it's flexed a lot. That's why I trimmed my hood though. You can't see I cut both sides of this with an angle grinder. So I can flex fully without the hood hitting. The hood was actually went down to like here. So it would have been jammed up in the tire. So I cut them. And it makes it look like it has more space.